name's Robin and this is my channel. I get boxes that just won't cancel. So I got another Singleswag box. I thought I canceled it, but it came anyway. So I'm still excited to open it. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this box or you like my content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So Singleswag, obviously you can put it on a subscription. You can do 1 month, 3 months, whatever. And I think I'd canceled it. Then I got it again for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And I guess I didn't cancel it, but no harm because I just love this box. You don't have to be single to get it. Although if you go on their Instagram and sign up, they do put some pretty neat comments if you are single. So let's get into it. Singleswag, you can win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @Singleswag. We pick a winner each month, so that's super nice. And then this is the card with everything that's in there. So it comes nicely wrapped with all the goodies. So the first thing that I'm taking out of the box is all-in-one beauty treatment. It's lavender and sea salt. It's Spun Gel, which we've gotten before. Earth, buffer with built-in body wash. And then it's in French. And you get 15 plus washes. Oh, so is it just the sponge or is it a new one? We've gotten these before. Oh, this one smells really good, and I definitely like them. I can't remember. I've seen on YouTube, and actually, I think it was Jackie Natural who posted that she put this in the shower, and her son used it, and he thought, oh, well, I have to get all the soap out, so he just used it and used it and used it till all the soap came out. So I thought that was a cute story. I'm not sure if it was her, but I kind of think it was. So the price of the Spun Gel, Zodiac Collection, Earth, Lavender, Sea Salt, Buffer, retails for $20. And they always put a snacky in here. And this is Mr. Brownie, Rich, Moist and Fudgy Blondies. So, just so you all know, they're gone before I even post the video. So these will never share, and I have to eat them right away so you know who doesn't get into them. And Mr. Brownie Blondie 2-pack retails for $4. And it has real Belgium chocolate. The next thing is by Laritzy, and this brand pops up every now and then. It's a lip gloss, and the color is Vibe. I don't know, anybody who gets subscription boxes that has to go out and buy more because we get so many gorgeous lip glosses. And here's the color. And I will use it. It does add a nice gloss to it. And our lip gloss, Laritzy lip gloss, retails for $18. Oops, sorry, I have an itch. Okay, the next item, there's a lot of items this month, is by Violet Harper. Don't know what it is. It's a surprise item. Look at that. is something in the bottle. Wow. Now that is creative. As I said, it's not that I don't like this box. It's just that I wanted to try new boxes, and you know, it's just one of those things, but I really like the subscription. And I think this is it a necklace? Wow. Now I have to keep it from moving. It's got this little, I forget what they call them. I'm sure it'll tell me on the card, but it's lined with like rhinestones on the side. And this is actually very pretty. So I like that, and I definitely love this little bottle. And that is the Valerie Harper Silver Pave Loop Castaway Necklace. It retails for $68. Your message in a bottle is here, and it's love yourself with this striking, sophisticated necklace, perfect for everyday wear and layering. The necklace features a 16-inch chain and a 4-inch extender. $68, but I love that. The next thing looks like a body lotion. Neobay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Black Fossil Wood Mask. Now you know I'm a big maskaholic. Again, we sit on there, we watch series on Netflix. So our series that we're watching is The Grimm. Let me know if you guys watched it. We're on our 4th season of it. And we always do, should we watch another one? Should we watch another one? And I'm like, well, if we're gonna watch another one, I'm gonna do a mask. And I do scare him off when I put them on because they're black, blue, green, whatever. Some of them bubble. It's got the protector. So this I love. And let's see what we got here. The Neobay Detox Black Fossil Wood Mask retails for $26. This deep detoxifying treatment containing all natural ingredients like activated charcoal, green tea, licorice, and aloe vera is designed to eliminate impurities from your pores and reduce black spots for a luminous look. Okay, I have to try this. And the next is Molly Jacob All Eyes on Me brush set. Oh, I've never seen them put in a brush set before. Now, I did win a giveaway. I know you're so sick of listening to me win a giveaway. I will put that up there below. And she included brushes. Eye brushes that are to die for. They are so soft. So I will be using those for quite a while. But these brushes, oh my God, they are so soft. Ooh. And of course they all do different things as I see here in play. This is for a cream eye. This one is for Make It Happen Eye Shader. This is me base shadow. Oh, it's nice. These are really nice brushes. And this is brow and liner Eyes on Me. I've never heard of the brand, but I'm here to tell you these are super, super soft. But I'm going to be using the ones that I won for a while. I would give these away, but no, I can't wait to try them. Oops, sorry. And these brushes are the Molly Jacob All Eyes on Me brush set. Retails for $24, which isn't a bad price for a brush set. And I'm just seeing what you can create a smoky eye. The set includes an angled brow and liner brush, cream eye brush, eye shader, and base shadow brush. And there is a mollyjacob.com, their website. You can get 40% off by using this coupon. I have to go check them out. And then we got headbands. Headbands for hope. Oh, that's sweet. Headbands of hope. And now I've gotten a couple of these stretchy, but look at this, is really kind of neat. So I'm going to start doing my masking videos. So kind of rating the masks, and I will need a headband. So that is awesome. That's a really nice headband. And oh, Headbands of Hope Twist Turban retails for $18. This chic, stylish headband is both soft and comfortable and contains an elastic strap on the back to ensure a secure fit every time. Best of all, for every headband sold, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. Oh, that's so sweet. This is tough canceling this box. And then the last thing is this Jules K. Jen snake leather pouch with detachable wristlet strap. It retails for $48. I love the color. I have a video, I did a collab with a bunch of nice ladies, and that should be posted by the end of the month. And it was a color. You pick your color, and the person who gets your name has to buy products in that color. The person that I had, red was her color, so I had fun shopping for that. But the person that had me had ocean blue, you know, in those blue tone families, and this would be perfect. It's got a nice inside, and of course your wristlet, or sorry, I'm stuck. You can take it off and just use it as a makeup bag. And this is perfect to throw some makeup in, throw it in your beach bag. We do a lot of traveling, so I can just take it and throw it and go to the store, because I hate, you know, I buy purses and then I end up filling them up. So I was doing Balzano handbags, and they sent me this really nice black bag, but it was bigger than I normally use. And I'm like, well, I'm never going to fill this up. And of course, I filled it up. So this purse is really, this wristlet is really nice. And again, that retails for $48. So the total of this box, it retails, I think, for $39.99 a month, and I think there might be shipping, so it comes to $45. I'm not sure on the shipping, but when I put the video up, I'll have that on there. So it's well worth it. They were having specials where you can get 20-30% off on the Cyber, so of course I took advantage of that. And this is give $15, get $15. Visit Singleswag.com. Oh, this is if you refer somebody. So I will leave the link on there. I don't really care about the referrals, but $15 actually isn't a bad one. So let me know what you thought of this box. I actually am so glad that I got it in the mail and that I didn't cancel it. So please comment. Let me know what you thought of Singleswag. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.